Hi guys, my name is Жаксыбаева Асель. I am a teacher of English, pedagogical college named after Awesome. Let's start our lesson. Today I would like to speak about comparative adjectives. But before, I would like to introduce with our plan. As you see, we have picture as a robot. On the left hand, we have some information. On the head of robot we have examples, and of course at the end of the lesson we will have a production. Okay, let's start. Comparative adjectives we use with than to compare, of course, two peoples or things. If we have one syllable adjective, we should use er. For example, small, smaller, fast, faster, strong, stronger, hot, harder, late, later, tall, taller, cold, colder. Let's practice. The brown car is cheaper than black one. As you see on this sentence, we compare two cars, brown car and black one. When we compare two things, we should use comparative adjectives. On such example, we have the word cheap. Of course, we change it on a comparative adjective by ending er. The giraffe is taller than zebra. Taller. The snake is longer than lizard. Longer. The next. Ending in one vowel plus one consonant, double the consonant, then plus er. For example, big, bigger, fat, fatter, thin, thinner, hot, hotter, wet, wetter. Let's practice. An elephant is bigger than tiger. We compare two animals, elephant and a tiger. We use the word big. In comparative degree, it will be bigger. Mexico is hotter than Canada. Hotter. I hope you understand. The next. Sometimes adjectives ending in y. If we have such adjectives, we should change y into I and plus er. Happy, happier, sunny, sunnier, dry, drier, rainy, rainier, easy, easier, lucky, luckier, early, earlier, pretty, prettier. Let's compare. Angeline is prettier than Barbara. As you see, we compare two girls and one of them is prettier. Prettier. The girl is happier than baby. The word happy ending y change into I and adding er. Barcelona is sunnier than Beijing. The next. Sometimes we have the adjectives with two or more syllables. When we have such adjectives and we want to compare it, of course, we should put the word more or less before adjective. For example, difficult. The word consists of three syllables. Difficult. Comparative adjective will be more difficult or less difficult. Interesting, more interesting, less interesting. Important, more important, less important. Beautiful, more beautiful, less beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, less intelligent. Modern, more modern, less modern. Comfortable, more comfortable, less comfortable. Expensive, 3 syllables. More expensive, less expensive. And patient, more patient, less patient. Let's practice. The diamond ring is more expensive than the plastic one. On this sentence, we compare 2 rings and one of them is more expensive. Why we use more? Because the adjective expensive consists of 3 syllables. Expensive. Of course, we should put more before adjective. The chair is less comfortable than the sofa. Comfortable. And we put less before adjective to form comparative adjectives. The next. Irregular comparative. I advise to you to learn by heart these words. Good, better, bad, worse, far, further. Let's compare. I think smartphones are better than computers. We compare 2 gadgets and smartphones, of course, better than computers. The word good is changed to better because we compare. It's an irregular comparative. The city is further than bridge. Far, further. The next. Sometimes to compare 2 things that are equal, we use such construction as plus adjective plus as. For example, as big as beautiful as important as happy as faster as expensive as cheap as. For example, let's practice. The jungle is as hot as desert. As you know, in jungle and in desert, all time the weather is very hot. When we compare 2 equal things, we may use as plus adjective as. Jane is as tall as you. Okay. There is production. I hope you understand how formed comparative adjective, because we have some difficult points where we can change some letters or put word before adjective, or we should double the letter. With the help of this rule, let's do this exercise. Mary's hair is, of course, longer than Elizabeth's hair. Daniel's shoes are cheaper than Alice's shoes. Your eyes are bigger than mine. Good of you. The cinema is further than your house. My house is more modern than your house. The school bus is newer than my mom's new car. Susan is thinner than Jane. Good of you. Frederick is more intelligent than Richard. Sonny drawing are better than Julius. Good of you. Magazines are more entertaining than school books. Turtles are slower than rabbits. Chinese is more difficult than English. Vegetables are healthier than junk food. Okay, thank for your working, and I think you understand how we formed comparative adjective and how we use in our speech, and I hope that you will use it in your everyday life speech. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you the next time.